Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will show you how to easily reschedule messages in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC and select the contact for whom you want to schedule a message. Step 2. In the chat box at the bottom right corner, click on the Scheduled Messages icon. Step 3. Once the Scheduled Messages window opens, right-click on the message that you wish to reschedule. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on Reschedule. Step 5. Now, select the new date and time for your message. Step 6. Finally, click on Send Today at, followed by the chosen date and time. That's it. You have successfully rescheduled a message in Telegram on your PC. The message will now be sent at the updated date and time. With Telegram's scheduling feature, you can conveniently plan and organize your messages, ensuring they reach your contacts at the right moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching.